Hello HipKit friends, it's Antonia here today with a layout made with the new September 2024 releases. And for this layout I'm using the September main kit, embellishment kit, cardstock kit, project life kit and the coffee cup cut files. So here I'm just making a start. I pre-cut the cut files, and for this I used papers from the project life kit. I wanted to use pattern paper for the cups, but I found that the 12 by 12 papers in the main kit, the patterns were just too big. So I turned to the Project Life kit and I found some papers with scaled down patterns which were just perfect for smaller cut files. For the sources and for the backing, I used cardstock from the Cardstock Kit, and I used 4 or 5 different colors, and I mixed and matched these so that they either harmonize or contrast a little bit with the pattern papers. When cutting the backing, I cut it ever so slightly larger than the main shapes, and this just gave a little bit of margin for the cups, and it just creates a little bit of definition, so the cut file shapes stand out a little bit more from the background. When assembling the pieces, I used dimensional adhesive. I use 1mm thick dimensional adhesive usually, rather than the thicker 2mm one, and I find this just right to create some subtle layers. And I find that I can, like in this case, I can apply 2 or even occasionally 3 layers of adhesive without the page becoming too thick. I added the denim pocket embellishment piece to the layout as well, because I wanted to add a couple of extra photos which I couldn't fit anywhere else on the layout. So I decided to put these photos on the front and back side of a tag and just add them to the pocket. And I just think that these denim pockets are perfect for adding extra photos or secret journaling or anything like that. And then I went on to add the title to the page, and for this I used the puffy alphabet set from the main kit, and also I used some smaller puffy alphas from a previous release which I just happened to have in my stash. So once the main body of the layout was created, I decided to add a frame around the layout, and and I had a couple of pattern papers in mind for this, and I just had to audition them. I found that the dark blue floral one was really pretty, very, very striking, but the brown and beige checked paper just seemed to suit this layout better, so I ended up going for that, and I really liked the overall effect. I added the 2 photos I mentioned earlier to the pocket, and then I went on to make a start with the embellishment clusters. So on this layout, I just wanted to use as many of the floral pieces from the embellishment kit as I possibly could. So I added little clusters to all 4 of the coffee cups. So I did a fair bit of shuffling of the embellishment pieces before settling on the final version. I wanted to make sure that there was a good mix of the different colours and the different tones in each embellishment cluster. And I didn't cut this bit out of the process video because I just wanted people to see that not every creative process is easy, and sometimes people do struggle a little bit with the placement of the embellishment. I used the small floral embellishment pieces to scatter around the embellishment clusters, and I completed the layout using the little dots from the gold foil puffy set from the embellishment kit, and I just think that gave the perfect finish to this layout. I hope you like my process video and that you find inspiration in it. Be sure to keep checking back to our YouTube channel as we upload process videos daily. You can also check out our friendly Facebook group or our Hip Kit Club online shop. You can purchase our kits as a one-off, or you can become a subscriber. By becoming a subscriber, you will save $5 on each monthly kit, and all extra kits added to the main kit ship free of charge, so you only pay the shipping cost once. As a subscriber, you also gain free access to all of our monthly cut files. You can check out the comment box of the process video for further information about subscribers discount, and you can also find my affiliate code that gives you a 10% discount in the online shop for all full price purchases. So thanks for watching. Bye now.